To buy Bitcoin on Kraken, start by creating an account on the platform. Go to the Kraken website and click on the Sign Up button. Enter your email address and choose a strong password. Verify your email address by clicking on the link sent by Kraken. Once your account is created, you need to verify your identity. This is a necessary step to comply with anti-money laundering regulations. Click on the Get Verified link and follow the instructions. You will need to provide personal details and upload a valid government-issued ID. After your account is verified, you can deposit funds into your Kraken account. Click on the Funding tab and select the currency you want to deposit. You can deposit funds using a bank transfer, credit card, or other payment methods. Follow the instructions to complete the deposit. Once your deposit is processed, you can buy Bitcoin. Click on the Trade tab and select the Bitcoin market. Choose the type of order you want to place, such as a market order or limit order. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy and the price you are willing to pay. Click on the Buy button to place your order. It is essential to understand the fees associated with buying Bitcoin on Kraken. The fees vary depending on the type of order and the amount of Bitcoin you buy. Make sure you understand the fees before placing your order. It is also important to keep your account and Bitcoin safe. Use a strong password and enable two-factor authentication. Keep your Bitcoin in a secure wallet and do not share your account details with anyone. In conclusion, buying Bitcoin on Kraken is a straightforward process. Create an account, verify your identity, deposit funds, and place an order to buy Bitcoin. Understand the fees and keep your account and Bitcoin safe. By following these steps, you can buy Bitcoin on Kraken and start investing in cryptocurrency.